What's happening if you don't take shower today? And if you didn't take a shower yesterday? What's happening is if since 1 week you don't take a shower? What's happening if since 2 weeks you don't take a shower? What's happening if since 1 month you don't take a shower? What's happening if since 1 year, 5 years, 10 years, since you were a child, you didn't take a shower? It's the same for the mind. As we clean our body, we must clean our mind. Because every day we keep a lot of mental toxin, a lot of negative thoughts, and we never take a shower. We never clean our mind. We never detox. Or usually, what do we do? Usually, we say, oh, I listen calming music, I burn some incense, I put some sage, I go to a spa. But you see, few minutes after or few days after, you are stressed again because you detox the symptom, but you don't detox deeply your mind. You don't cure the roots of the mind. So what to do? In this video, I want to propose to you 3 unexpected keys to detox your mind, to detox your emotions, to take a shower, a mental shower, a spiritual shower. First, Lung. Lung in Tibetan, it means transmission of energy. We need to receive a calming energy from someone, because when you calm the mind, immediately you dissolve any thoughts, any emotions. Many times, people think that if they do affirmations, if they try by themselves to do visualization, they clean the mind. But today, no one is able to focus. The attention span today, online, it's officially 3 seconds. 3 seconds. After 3 seconds, your mind disappears. So how can we say to anyone today, take a breath, sit, make affirmations, when we are unable to focus more than 3 seconds? So the key, the unexpected key, the first key, it's Lung. Again, Lung in Tibetan means the transmission of energy. We transmit a calming energy to someone. A teacher transmits his calming energy, because everything is vibration, resonance. When we tune the mind of the person, when we lead the meditation, there is a neuron mirror effect. Yes, it's interesting to discover that neuroscience, since 30 years, confirm what we talk in Buddhism since 3,000 years. 3,000 years ago, the Tibetan masters, the authentic masters, talk about Lung, the transmission of energy. Neuroscience, since 30 years, start to discover the neuron mirror effect. So let's practice now. I will guide you just a few seconds to calm your mind And you will see in one practice, when we calm the mind, we feel better immediately. We are sitting down in a comfortable position. We don't talk. We don't move. And we breathe in all the dark energy in our body. And we exhale the dark. And immediately we feel better, calmer, quiet. Let's do it again. Breathe in all the dark energy in our body, in our mind. Exhale the dark. And we stay like that, calm. 1 second. 2 seconds. 3, 4, 5. 5 seconds. Quiet. To calm the mind. To dissolve any mental toxin. And we can open our eyes. So this is the first key. Lung, the transmission of energy. The second key, this is Rigpa. Rigpa in Tibetan means the clear light. Suddenly we realize that our emotions, our negative thoughts have no consistency. They are like clouds in the sky of our mind. They have no consistency. An emotion doesn't exist by itself. It's just a flow. You know, in neuroscience, when we observe the emotion on a scanner, when someone say, "Oh, today I feel sad," a few milliseconds after, the emotion of sadness has disappeared. Because an emotion doesn't stay. An emotion is just a flow. It's like if you see the stars in the sky, you can see the trail because the star has disappeared. At the second you look at the star in the sky, there is no more star. There is just the trail of the star. It's the same for your emotion. When you feel an emotion, the emotion has already disappeared because an emotion has no consistency. Just when you calm the mind, you see immediately, immediately you feel better. And the third key to detox your mind, this is to enter in a concrete spirituality, to help people who suffer. Instead of to keep our emotion, instead of to keep our ego, we must go to someone who suffer. Many people, everyone suffer around us. Just around us, many people suffer. When you smile to someone, when you share your calming energy, you help the person. To help someone around you reduce the size of your ego. Suddenly you move from a ego-centered life to a theos-centered life. Theos comes from God. Theos means God in theology. Theos, theology. Theos means God. And God means the energy of the love, the energy of the kindness, the energy of the sun, the energy of the light, the energy of the joy. When you offer your good energy to someone, you detox immediately your emotions. They are the 3 unexpected keys to detox your emotion. Lung, the transmission of energy, the calming meditative energy. Second, Rigpa, the clear light. You realize suddenly, oh my gosh, my fears have no consistency. I create my fears by myself. Third, Theos-centered life. The life oriented to love, to God, to the light, to help every person around you. I can just share that from my own experience to work since 10 years with people incarcerated, with kids in difficulty, with many people who suffer homeless. Help me to go back every day to a Theos-centered life. Thank you so much to each of you. You can write a comment on this video. You can share with your friends to help everyone around you to detox your mind.